Mahal Pakistan, Kocaashmi Azade Mubarak. Eyvallah.
I am Esra Bilgic, and on this 14 August, I would like to personally wish you all Jashan-e-Azadi Mubarak from Pakistan Zindabad.
मेरा मुल्क भी 27 को बना था, इत्तेफाक नहीं इंतखाब था। 13 अगस्त को क्यों नहीं हो गया?
Do your duty and have faith in God. There is no power on earth that can undo Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad. Pakistan. Pakistan. Pakistan.
Independence Day anniversary of Pakistan. I would like to extend my congratulations to the entire Pakistani nation who's watching my video. But let's not forget the sacrifices, the struggle of our forefathers, especially Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah and Allama Iqbal, who's